As your business grows and your customer base continues to scale, your content repository will grow along with it. This can quickly become overwhelming to manage without the right tools in place. In this video, you will see how the Freshdesk knowledge base simplifies the content management experience with the help of bulk actions, advanced filters, and focused workspaces. To manage your content, go to the Solutions tab and click on Manage. You will be taken to a two-pane view. The left pane displays the categories and folders. The right pane displays all the articles in a selected category. To reorder multiple articles within a folder simultaneously from the two-pane view, click on the Edit button for the required folder and select the Order Articles dropdown. This way you don't have to drag and drop each article manually. You can access all articles, the ones in draft or published status, using quick views. The number of articles in these views change according to the product or language you have chosen. The Article List views displays the list of articles and its properties in rows and columns respectively. You can add or remove columns so that only the information that is most useful for you is readily available. You can also use filters to get a more specific list of articles from this view. Once you have your list, you can even perform specific bulk actions. From Quick Views, you will also be able to switch to other products and manage each of its knowledge base in a workspace dedicated to each product. Make sure to check out other videos in our series. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Freshdesk support.